Imagine opening a jar of cannabis and being greeted by a delightful scent. But what if that aroma isn't as strong as you remember? Terpenes are aromatic compounds in cannabis. They provide unique scents and flavors. However, they are volatile, which means they can evaporate and fade away. This is where terpene sprays come in. Growers use these sprays after curing to enhance the flower's aroma. Curing is a vital stage. During this process, cannabis buds develop their structure and moisture balance. It also influences the final scent profile of the flower. Even with perfect curing, some terpenes may still diminish over time. This loss is why many choose to spray terpenes after the process. For example, let's say you have a Kush strain. After curing, its scent might not be as pungent. By applying a terpene spray, you can restore its earthy pine notes. So, using terpene sprays can help maintain that enticing aroma. It makes your cannabis more enjoyable and flavorful. In summary, yes, you can spray terpenes after curing. It enhances and restores the aroma profile of your cannabis. Ready to enhance your cannabis experience? If you're working with cured flower and want to improve aroma quality, this guide covers the essentials you need to know. Learn more on the Terps USA blog, https://terpsusa.com. Blogs, terpene spray information. Can you spray terpenes on weed after it's cured? Explore Terps USA, https://terpsusa.com. Try a terpene spray today.